Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Gaggia Classic. We have this machine all ready to go. Shots in, temperatures up. Oh, look at that. These are great espresso machines. I'm going to cut that one a little short. There we are. We're going to get ready for the steam. I turn that on. We'll get underneath here. Just kind of see how that shot came out. Looks great. And we're just going to wait one more second. It shouldn't take long. And we're all ready with the steam. The light's on. We're going to go quick little purge of the steam wand, and then we'll show nice, strong steam coming from this Gaggia. Anyway, there you have it. Great shot, strong steam. Everything's working correctly. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.